and done. That's what you're here for. So I want to style my edges, then I put on my mascara, lip my liner, and do my lips. Then I'm gonna talk to you guys later. And also my sunscreen. The only thing I've cleansed. The only thing I haven't moisturized and I haven't put my sunscreen, but I had a toner while I was dressing. I make a toner as I was dressing. So I want to do the things that I've left to do. Then I'm going to show you the outfit of the day in detail. I'll go with this. Moisturize. Sunscreen. So I have this tie with me. I have this tie with me that was given by my dad, but I don't know how to style it. So I'm using it as a headband, something like that. And I also have a red one that's striped, but I've never used that. I feel like styling that one. So I'm going to style my hair with this tie. Let me style my edges, do my eyes, lips, then I'll talk to you guys once I'm done. So this is my full look. I don't know if you guys can notice a difference with my eyes. I didn't put any gel. I don't feel like doing any gel. I wanted to carry this bag. Again, I'm into white bags. I don't know why. I wanted to carry this bag, but it's too small for the things I need to carry. So yeah. It looks so pretty. Like, I need to take pictures because of that. Because this beauty. There's a hen over here. That's why like you can hear like hen noises. Anyway, let me take pictures and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. It's been long since I spoke to you guys, and I have new hair. I actually have the audacity to vlog in my sister's school, and for the sake of our privacy, I won't mention the university until she lets me do so. So I feel so nice with this cute hair. Isn't it cute? So let's talk about the hair. I did it at Kenyatta Market, shop 432, no 342. I didn't like strain my neck or something. They were very soft on me. They didn't hurt the first. Okay, it was painful, but they didn't like pull as much, so it didn't hurt so much, and it feels so nice. I haven't had my hair since a long time. You know, I wanted to go like natural, but right now I'm back, baby. So yeah, it feels so nice. I'm trying a new hair color. I've never done this before. This is the cute top that I have. I got it at Kawangware market for 50 shillings. I bought it like 2 years ago and it's intact. So it has this design that I love, and for the hands it looks something like this. I didn't cut it, by the way. It comes like this. Same case to this other hand. I'm trying to shift no more. What's what I'm talking about. And the back is the same. I can't show you the back, but it has like this, but it doesn't have like this detail. Yeah, or can I can't unless I place you guys over here. I'll have it at the back. So that's how it looks like from the back. Yeah, and I just feel so extra with my hair. You get what I'm saying? You see, even my hair is adding out a little bit of a spice.